Welcome. In this demonstration, we will walk you through the process of performing curative treatment, fumigation. Log in as the technical assistant or quality manager. Navigate to the preservation navigation and select the curative treatment option. On the treatment form, set the fumigation reason to export, import and type to cover. Select the shed and then choose the fumigation method as either stack-wise or compartment-wise. If stack-wise is selected, choose the required stack and the system will display its details. If compartment-wise is selected, choose the compartment name and the system will display the quantity in mount. Next, select the chemical from the drop-down list. The system automatically displays the last fumigation date and the required chemical quantity. Enter the quantity used in grams for each stack and verify that the standard dosage in gram per MT, required quantity, and quantity used are shown. Set the date of fumigation and click Submit. A success message is displayed confirming that fumigation is completed successfully for the selected stack. Next, log in as the technical assistant and navigate to Preservation, Curative Details. Select the fumigated stack and click Update Degassing Details. Enter the date of degassing and choose the classification. After fumigation as heavy, few, or clear. Click Save and show that the degassing details have been updated successfully. From Curative Details, select the same stack and click View to display the complete fumigation and degassing record, allowing the viewer to verify the saved values. Finally, log in as the Manager Depot and navigate to Reports, Quality, Fumigation Register. Select the From Date and To Date that include today's transactions and click View Report. The fumigation register will be generated and display accurate data for the selected date range, including the records added in this demonstration. This concludes the demonstration of curative treatment, fumigation with degassing in the Anna Darpan system. Thank you.